Hi everyone, this is Aki with a quick video on Divi and how to create anchor links or links to your different sections or parts of your website. So I have a sample page right here and I have different sections. Let's say you want to create, different links at the top to each of the sections. So the way to do it, you have to enable the Visual Builder. And what happens is basically what you have to do, you have to kind of name the section specifically as a different name, so then the link knows where to go. So once you have a section, you can just click on the module setting or section setting, or you can create a link to section, row, module, specific text on a page, anything. So then if you go to Advanced and then CSS ID in classes, so you have two different things you can name. So you can have a class. So class is basically, you can specify specific, let's say, formatting, what have you, for different elements of your website. And you can have class being added to number of things. Let's say if you want to have a different text and you just specify a class to that text, and everywhere where text is used with that class will be changed. But IDs, you can only have one ID per element. So this is where you want to go use for the section. So let's say we're going to say section. Let's just make sure we have the letters like not capital, because you have to type it exactly how you have it. So I'm going to just put section 1 to make it easy, and then click OK, and then maybe let's do section 2 for this. Go advanced to make sure there's, I'm not going to use space, because for the name of the section you would have to have underscore. You can't have spaces. Section, let's go maybe this section 3, and you can name it however you like. I'm just giving a quick example. 3, and maybe one more. Let's do section 4. Okay, and just want to make sure you save it. And then what you also want to, once you exit Visual Builder, if you want to have the anchor link be linking to this page from anywhere else, you would have to save the specific page address. But if it's going to be linked on this page only, you would just need the ID name. So I'm going to go now to, you want to go to your back end of your website. So I'm going to go to appearance and menus. I'm going to create a new menu just to have these sections show up. Sections, and I'm going to click create. And what happens now I can create custom links on a specific section. So I can have the URL, and at the very end you want to do a hashtag and then a section or name. So I'm going to have section 1, and it's going to be section 1. And then I'm going to have a section 2. Let me do the space, because this is just how it appears. It's not the actual link. And section 3. And finally, our last one, section 4. Okay, so now this is my new menu with these links. So I'm going to save the menu. And now I'm going to go to my my page one more time. And now I have to enter this section right here. So if I go to enable Visual Builder, and you can put those sections anywhere, that address for the section, but I'm going to just change the header I'm going to change the header. I just click edit header. And here I'm going to specify the section menu. Sections. And you can be as a drop-down menu or what have you. So I'm going to save and exit. And now let's click and test it out. So I'm going to go from the back. Section 4. You see it jumped to section 4. And let's go. Section 3. Oh, because it's on a different page. So you see, because I had the address of the section to specific page, this is the page, because I thought it was a home, but I guess it's not a home. So you see, you were able to see that I could make those links from another page, but you do have to make sure that the anchor has the whole page address, because if you just have the section, hashtag section, it will only work if you have it on the same page. Thanks for watching.